Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex with the Honeydew List, and I am going to be going over patching a textured wall. And this one here is just basically where I get some mortar. I'm going to be mixing it up with water and to a tray, and I'm just going to patch this wall. As you can see, the wall has some damage done to it through an old water spigot. So the old cement just kind of broke away and exposed all of the wire. So we're going to be putting it back together again, and I'm just going to show you guys how you're basically just going to render a wall. We want to make sure that that support wire is in place, and then we're going to spread the mortar on, and we're going to give it a little bit of a textured look, because that's what the rest of the wall looks like. The homeowner will then go ahead and paint it at a later date. So hope you guys like this one. Stay tuned for more, and hope you guys subscribe. It really helps me out, and enjoy.
Thank you.